from good writing. When I am reading about nature, I want to read writing of the quality of the best writers that there are. I don't want to read, I went for a nice walk this morning and I saw a bird. Then, a lot of adjectives added to that. I don't like pretty writing about nature. I don't want to do primroses. I want to learn something. I want to feel excited. I want, like, for any piece of writing, my heart to beat a little faster. I want to think, how have I ever seen that before? So when I came to read The Hawk Moth Effect, I was delighted to learn a good many things about the hawk moth. It wasn't pretty and decorated. It was exciting. The prose ran. It had muscle. It had information. It had a story. Every good piece of writing needs a narrative. We need to get somewhere and finish it and think, why haven't I ever seen that in my life before? I have been ignorant until I read this piece. When my daughter was very, very little, she suddenly screamed and came out of her bedroom and said, "Owls have been born on my windowsill." They were hawk moths. She thought they were teeny, brand new baby owls. Chris, come out and receive your prize, please.
Thank you to World Wildlife Fund for the cheque, because that will enable me to go on doing more writing.
How sad I feel.